Let me ask you something. Have you ever clicked on a website and then just waited and then waited more and then waited even more and then just clicked away? Well, if you own a business, every second your website operates in a slow manner. You're losing customers, losing sales, and losing credibility. Today I'm going to show you how you can build a website in under 2 seconds that's going to be lightning fast and lightning quick, using tools that professionals like me rely on. It's time to fix your slow website once and for all. The number one mistake people make is choosing slow and cheap hosting. You can spend hours designing the perfect website, but let me tell you something. If your hosting is slow and laggy, you've already lost the game already, because nobody's going to wait for minutes for a perfect website to load up. They're just going to move on to your competitor. So that's why it's really important to make sure your hosting is sorted out from day one. I use SiteGround because speed, security, and uptime matter to me. If they matter to you too, SiteGround is the way to go. With over 20 years of hosting experience, they're renowned for platform design with speed in mind from the ground up, plus features like multi-level caching, CDN, and WordPress optimization plugins are included right out of the box. SiteGround offers 3 main plans depending on the size of your organization and what you're actually trying to do. The first plan is Startup, the second plan is Grow Big, and the third plan is Go Geek. If you're just getting started at, Startup is obviously the perfect plan. See how it goes, get used to the product, and then scale accordingly. But if you're in a position already where you're thinking about scaling, perhaps going for a plan like Grow Big is probably your best bet for that sweet balance of power and features. That said, if you're planning on selling products, I'll probably go for Grow Big or Go Geek. The good thing about Grow Big is that it offers options to host multiple websites, increased resources, and one of my favorite perks, ultra fast PHP implementation that increases your content loading time by up to 30%. The third plan, Go Geek, is perfect for high traffic and growing business websites. This plan is widely used by web developers and agencies for hosting multiple websites or single users hosting resource-intensive websites. In all honesty, you don't have to figure it all out today, of course, but my recommendation is to start up with the Grow Big plan and then see how it works out, and then see how you feel the product and then scale accordingly. By doing that, you get a blend of amazing power and of course amazing features, and then utilizing what you actually love about this fantastic product and then scaling it accordingly. Having mentioned these 3 amazing plans, let's talk a little bit more about some of the benefits that you can get from using SiteGround. Each hosting plan includes a free email linked to your domain with the ability to open as many accounts you want to in that domain. So there's no limit to the amount of email addresses you can open with any of these plans. Here is something that is really important to me as a business owner: 24/7 customer support. Look, I deal with all kinds of inquiries across the day, whether that be in the morning or the night. So I need to know that I have a dedicated team that's able to help me, whether that will be via chat, email, or even phone. And this is absolutely the case with SiteGround. And on top of that, they have a track record of solving 90% of the cases within the first interaction, which is pretty incredible when you think about it. Another benefit that I truly admire is the free daily backups. SiteGround includes daily backups with every single plan, so it doesn't matter whether you got the startup plan or whether you got the Go Geek plan. Daily backups is included across the board. These backups are geo-distributed and easily restorable, meaning your website's data is stored in a different location from your live account, adding an extra layer of security. They are the only web hosting company to offer this enterprise level feature, typically found in hosting services costing thousands on a monthly basis. Free CDN, built-in speed, built-in security, auto updates, and more. What more do you want out of a hosting platform? I've looked at several other companies, and none of these other companies actually come close to what's on offer here. So it's actually worthwhile really checking out SiteGround today. And if you are ready to check out SiteGround now and you're convinced with all the information given in this video so far, you know exactly what you need to do. Check out the top link in my description to get going with SiteGround today. Once you've logged into your SiteGround dashboard, installing any CMS is insanely easy. Just head to website, new website, select your domain, choose start new website, and click WordPress. Fill out your login details, and in about 60 seconds, your new website is going to be live. It's literally that simple. Also remember, when opening up your website site tools, you can go to WordPress, install and manage, and use the convenient one-click WordPress and WooCommerce installation. that SiteGround provides. When doing so, type below your username and password details. You can choose to install WordPress with SiteGround's WordPress Starter, where you can choose the type of website you want to create. Choose a ready-made design for it and what pages you want to add, such as gallery, shop, maps and more. And with just a few clicks you already have a good looking website. SiteGround doesn't just host your site, it supercharges it. The SG Optimizer plugin is already installed. And this thing is a powerhouse. Turn on dynamic caching, file-based caching, and meme cache. This reduces server load and delivers content to visitors in milliseconds. It's like giving your website a major boost that you never had before. SiteGround offers multi-level caching that enhances your website performance by covering all aspects, from text and images to dynamic content such as browsing products or displaying products. This feature is often a paid upgrade with other providers, but with SiteGround it comes with the standard plan. Turn on image compression and lazy loading. This reduces file sizes without losing quality and only loads images when they are actually needed. Visitors get lightning speed and you keep stunning visuals. Minify your JavaScript and CSS. Combine files and load scripts non-simultaneously. Look, I'm not saying it's going to be easy, it's actually quite technical, but the good thing is that SiteGround handles this entire process for you. The plugin is free of charge and comes pre-installed on every WordPress website hosted with SiteGround. SiteGround's in-house CDN is a straightforward on and off toggle feature designed to provide your website with the fastest possible loading speed for visitors worldwide. The CDN also manages high traffic by distributing across multiple data centers worldwide, keeping your website running smoothly at all times. This system works flawlessly because it's specifically designed for SiteGround's service. Look, if you're building a website for your business, personal brand, or your side hustle, don't settle for slow. Look, I've built several businesses over the past 6 years, and SiteGround is by far the most powerful and fastest tool I've come across. Click the top link in my description to get going with SiteGround today. It takes around 5 minutes to fully set up, and you'll be ever so thankful for it in the future. Look, I'm about to round this video up now. I'm going to say thank you once again for tuning in, and I hope you found this content helpful and useful. If you did, you know exactly what you need to do. Smash that like button, subscribe to this channel, and more importantly, tap the notification bell. And also remember, if you are to use SiteGround today, you get a 30-day money-back guarantee if you're not happy with the service. Well, that tells you that they're very confident that you're going to enjoy this service like I do. On top of that, if you don't enjoy it, you get your money back. So it's a risk-free investment from your part. What do you have to lose? Ask yourself that question. But anyways, enough rambling for me, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.